see the screen. This is how the setup will be. Then we'll go to F. The first one is fractal, which is not really important. It's just to point the highs and the lows. This is the main chart at Shimoku. You set it this way. The second at Shimoku on the main chart, set it this way. Now the second, the indicator window 1. The first one is average directional movement index. You set it this way, exactly the way it is. Click done. Stochastic oscillator, you set it this way. Set it this way, then come to this level. Click it. You click this plus for all these 5 levels to appear, and then you set these numbers this way, and then choose the color of your choice and press back, and then click done. That's for the stochastic. Then the Shimoku in this indicator window 1, the Shimoku, this is how it will be. Exactly, no addition, no subtraction. Say that same way, click done. Then you go there. Then the last relative strength index, set it this way, everything the same, click done. When you click done, your screen should be this way. This is how your screen will be. And then now this is how it works. And when you're through, you should take your screen back. Your screen should be here, as in just when you click on the screen, click and hold, and then leave it. Then pull your screen back to the last end to the left, to the last end of it to the left. Then click on it again to remove it, for you to lock it there. It should not be this way. Your screen should not be here. It should not be here. It should be at the last. That's where that's where you best see, and that's where this strategy is best. Will give you the best setups and the best entry points. You understand? And how this strategy works is this way. Like if we start here now, you see, whenever you see this Ashimoku is down, and then this ADX is this red line is above the Ashimoku, we should be looking for a buy setups. Whenever the Ashimoku is below and is below the red line, the Ashimoku line, the blue line is below the red line, you should be looking for a buy setup. And how do you know this? Get this buy setup. How you get this buy setups is by following your stochastic. You understand? Your stochastics. When the stochastics has come below 50, that's what you'll be looking for to place a buy. To be like I told you earlier, to be more accurate on it, you can use your price action to enter it. You see here now, where this place come like this, you see this price action. There's a price action here that tells you it's time to place a buy, kind of. If you place the buy here, it will come here. It will have given you this. You understand? If you place the buy there, because of the Ashimoku is down, it's telling you that this has gotten to the market is on a bullish trend. It's a bullish trend, so you always look for buy setups. Whenever the Shimoku comes down, whenever the stochastic oscillator comes down, you're looking for comes below 50, then you'll be looking for a buy setup. You understand? You'll be looking for a buy setup. But now I'm going to tell you the hours that you use to follow this, use to enter your trades, because in most cases that in those hours, that's when the Shimoku, the stochastic is always in place. That's when the setups are always potent enough for you to place a trade, or a sell trade or a buy trade. Even if you keep going, let me go back a little bit. Let's start from back. So if you see this way now, this trade is here. You see when this Ashimoku is when this Ashimoku is below, it's saying it's an uptrend. When a stochastic comes below the 50 line, it's a buy setup. You can That's where you can place a buy. You can also use follow your price action for further confirmation. Also, if it breaks level, if the whenever Ashimoku is down here, is below the 20 level, and then your price action breaks above the Ashimokus on the main chart, it's also telling that it's a buy. It hasn't That's establishing of a bullish trend. A bullish trend is about to be established. So now if you follow the stochastic, now give you a better clarification when to enter your trade. The stochastic, you can even marry it with your price action to be more precise in your entrance, you understand. But I'll give you the time, those hours that you enter, that is best, so that your loss will be highly minimized. You have either minimum to zero losses, only profits, you understand. So, and whenever the Ashimoku crosses the red line above, you should stop looking for buy setups. Then you be looking for, anticipating for sell setups, because next thing it will start selling, you understand. It will start selling, you understand. Once Ashimoku crosses up and the red line is below, it will start selling. That's when you start looking for all these highs of stochastic highs to enter your trade, and to enter a sell trade. And now the hours to place your trade is, you see, 3 a.m. in the morning. The first hour, 3 a.m. in the morning. Then the second hour is 7 a.m. in the morning. The third hour is 11 a.m. in the morning. The fourth hour is 1 p.m. in the afternoon. The fifth hour is 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Then the sixth hour is um, uh, 6 or 7 p.m. in the evening. These are the 6 hours, different hours I use to enter the trade. You understand? So um, that is the best, all I can give you for now. Just look at it. Any question you have, you ask me. I'm open. I'll answer everything. Is this strategy is as simple as ABC. There's nothing. Is The chart is not clouded. It's easy for you to understand. Just follow the Ashimoku, where the Ashimoku level is. Follow where the stochastic level is. Follow, always point when once the Ashimoku is above the red line, always look out for a sell. If Ashimoku is below the red line, always look out for a buy setup. You understand? So don't contradict it. Just be rigid with it. Follow it that the way it is. That's just it. So with these hours, at these hours I told you, I just mentioned to you, Ashimoku should be at a high, either above 50 or below 50 at this point in time. So, but where you know that it is a potential place for you to enter is whether it is it is corresponding with the Ishimoku line, understand, and also this red line, which is I think is um, the relative strength index. The relative strength index, you understand. This is the relative strength index line, you understand. So just do it all in your phone, and then we'll take off from there. Then any other question you have, you ask, and I'll explain more details, so we can just do something together for you to get it more clearly.